Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So now we go for the chapter 5 of the automotive safety, which is chapter 5 is the vehicle body. So again, for this video, this is just a short video to summarize what is the content, the main content in the vehicle body. Alright, so vehicle body is a car body design for the rear bodywork constructed of the metal framework with the infill of metal panel. So this we know about the vehicle body. So the vehicle body designed to uh, for the vehicle to ensure our the occupant is safe inside the vehicle. This is the objective of the vehicle body toward automotive safety. Okay, originally, the metal framework augmented the vehicle structure, where the later model feature apply metal and metal light. So we have a new technology about the metal now to ensure to protect the occupant inside the vehicle. Alright. So currently we have about 9 category of the vehicle body. We have a micro car, we have a hatchback or compact, saloon, estate car ataupun station wagon. We have the sport car, convertible, off-roader, multi-purpose vehicle (MPV), and also we have a minibus. So currently, this 9 category of the vehicle body is available in the market. Alright. So what type of the vehicle body we are interested is up to us. So this is up to customer. That's why we have a lot of other type of the vehicle body. Alright. So in terms of if we relate with the automotive safety, so the vehicle body, the design of the vehicle body is the target is reduction of the vehicle accident. Okay, there are two category of the two factor of to reduce the vehicle accident. Number one is the vehicle color, body color. Number two is interior features. Okay, this is based on the study. These two factor of the vehicle body contribute for the accident. So what is the most safe color? So if based on the study, the most safe color is white and blue. Okay. The most dangerous color is the red and black. This is based on this way. That not say you cannot use that color. It's up to you. But this is based on this way. Alright. But what about the interior features? Interior feature we have studied. This relate with the ergonomic actually. So anything designed the part must be meeting the ergonomic specification, which is using the anthropometric as we have studied before. Alright, so this is the simplified the example of the vehicle body designed by automobile manufacturer. Okay, so this is again the vehicle body. And where is the most important for the vehicle body? Any welding point here must be properly studied to ensure the occupant is safe inside the vehicle. Okay, so this is another round, another type of the vehicle body, right? All right. So in terms of interior design, we have a 9 category, which is vehicle length, vehicle width, vehicle height. Okay. So in terms of vehicle length, we have about averagely about 5 meter of the vehicle length, 2 meter about the vehicle width. Okay, so the vehicle weight is vehicle weight about 2,000 kilogram or 2 ton, 2 ton. Okay, about 2,000 kilogram in average of the vehicle body. If country it's about 1,600 kilogram, but averagely about 2,000 kilogram. So in terms of overhang, in terms of approach angle, wheel angle, ram angle, and ground clearance. So ground clearance is from the tire, from the vehicle body into the ground. Ram angle in front of the vehicle. The height of here. The track angle is the from the tire to tire. This is the track angle. Okay, the wheelbase, the approach angle. This is all has been studied by the automobile manufacturing. Okay, so in terms of interior is based on the vision and operation. So this is related with the ergonomic and orthopedic analysis. Okay, so this is the design of the seat, the design of the dashboard. This is based on the ergonomic study. Then uh, what is the important thing here is okay, another one example is this is a organization chart in the automobile manufacturing. So which is we can see here that safety engineering is one of the key element of designing the vehicle. All right, so what is the most important thing? This is what I want to show you, I want to share with you. All right, cohesive static test requirement. So cohesive static test requirement is one of the requirement for the automobile design. Okay, so cohesive static test requirement, they are divided into three categories, which is seat and seat back anchorage point, roof rack analysis, and vehicle side structure. Okay, seat and seat back anchorage point. Seat and seat back, especially we are focusing on the seat back. So seat back, how many components we have in the seat back? Okay, if we draw the seat back, seatbelt have a main actually have a three main component. Okay, number one, number two, number three. Okay, which is the anchorage point? Number one is anchorage point. This is number one. The specific name is anchorage point, the part designed vehicle to secure a seatbelt anchor fitting to the vehicle. And anchor fitting, the part of the seatbelt designed to attach the anchor fitting. This is number two. Where is number two here? Here is number two, the anchor fitting, the part designed to attach the anchor fitting, and seatbelt assembly, the arrangement of the strap. Okay, this is this area, the one box here. The box is the arrangement of the strap for the anchor fitting to secure the buckle and adjusting the device capable to be anchored to the motor vehicle design the lesson the risk of the injury. So the anchor fitting will control the movement of the vehicle. Okay, this is number three. And actually, even we have physically we have a three component of the seatbelt. In actual, floor also considered as one of the influence component. Why? If we sit in the seatbelt, so if our leg can touch the floor, okay, our leg can touch the floor, so that means our body will be stable. Okay, so that's why we have we consider in the automotive safety, a floor consider is another component of the seat belt because of to for the body stability. Okay, and we have a multiple number of anchorage point. We have a floor anchorage point, which either for the rear seat belt for the middle, and anchor point for upper torso. This is to adjustment of the anchorage point, reactor board of the anchorage point. Okay, and what else we have? Okay, how to ensure our seatbelt is properly functioned. So to ensure to ensure our seatbelt is properly functioned, make sure no webbing for the seatbelt. This is to avoid from the failure of the reactor box or failure of the seatbelt assembly. Okay, alright. See, this is another this is a situation to test the effectiveness of the seatbelt. Okay, then second one is roof rack analysis. So roof rack analysis is very important because the height of the roof rack will influence the level of injury for the occupant, especially during the rollover. Okay, so it will impact the occupant during the rollover. So how to solve the problem of rollover? So currently in the automotive manufacturing, how they solve the problem of rollover is they have introduced the ESC, electronic stability control. Okay, what is ESC? ESC is to control to make sure the vehicle is far from the oversteer. This is example of the situation for the ESC. The yellow color is without the ESC. That's why previously we heard about the vehicle rollover. Okay, this is with the ESC. Okay, so how to control the what the item control the ESC is your moment. Your moment is the component center in the center of the vehicle, in the center of the vehicle to control the your moment. Alright, and this is one of the example of the for the uh, apa, for the ESC. Alright, so this is about the ESC. Then the next one we go for the right, okay, the vehicle body. The importance of the consistency test is the objective of the consistency test is to for the injury to study level of injury, to study to ensure the head protection has been applied for the any design of the vehicle. That's why we calculate the HIC for that. And also to study the effectiveness, the strength of the vehicle structure. Alright, so the last one is about how to the current technology is for the lightweight vehicle body construction. So this is how to solve the problem. So normally, some of the vehicles, especially Mazda currently using this technology to avoid from the to reduce level of injury, which is hot press forming (HPC), HPF. Sorry, HPF is to ensure the strength of the vehicle to maximize the strength of the vehicle, especially in the critical area. For example, here the R point here for both for R point is they are using the hot press forming ultra high for the strength of the steel, and some of the area which is most of the vehicle, most of the component, most of the metal using to avoid from the bending. Okay, so how is the impact into vehicle you can see here. So of the process you can study later. All right, so this is to study to fabricate the HPF. Then what is the impact of the vehicle? So for example, the Mazda, when accident happen, they can reduce to avoid from the bending. So this is how the Mazda do like after accident with the container. So this is the purpose of the HPF is to ensure or to reduce the level of the injury, to ensure the occupant is safe inside the vehicle. Alright, so that's a summary about the chapter 5, which is the vehicle body. See you again on the next chapter. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.